Evangelist Ebuka Obi has given a serious warning to those of you bloggers who blog against him. Just watch this video, listen to him carefully. He said it clearly, the way you understand it. So listen to him. No more defamation of character. Be careful and avoid being a victim. So watch this video to the end. Thank you.
This teaching I'm giving you now, it's not after this program. You go and tell your husband, Brother Ebuka and Ebuka Obi. Imana, Ebuka stand to be misunderstood. Whatever I said, they will twist it and turn it around just to make money on Facebook. All of them will come out, begin to carry Brother Ebuka's video because they know that Brother Ebuka is famous. So if you want to be famous, attack somebody that is famous. Or Brother Ebuka has a lot of members that when you talk about him negatively, so many of his members will come to react and you have views. Kidney transplant. If coming on social media to lie against me, talking rubbish, twisting the message to make Facebook money, where will you be to eat the money? I am making surgery in my anus. Last time, and I am going to plan on ground. Anything you said about me now, you must prove it beyond human every reason. You must prove it very, very well. We have men now that will keep you busy for 1 year and 2 years. In a case, I am touring online. Every in a case, Ebuka. Imana, I want to hear in the mother and when I would have been one for. I am mother put on Facebook. Now you go. Can there be a case in wedge? How many churches in Nigeria are there to me? And they did be a bookcase in Ebuka Obi. Oh my God, we don't post. We decided to be humble. We are already out. Come away the second twice. I'm a dragging. Keep on busy until they go in what on Facebook. Next time, a man I didn't believe be a Fere Chineka Katuya Hijri Mane.
Wonderful counselor. Mighty money battle prince.
Amen.
Amen.
Let me go back to my teaching.